Hello guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. Fine. In a quick one, I introduce to you Filipino egg yolk base cream. This Filipino egg yolk base cream is one of the base cream that I will always advise you from henceforth you should be using. It's a customized base cream. It's not like every other base cream you see out there. For some of us that we do produce, at the very end of it all, we did everything right, but we're still having dark knuckles, we're still having some side effect, like we have inflammatory in our body, face, or the truth is your base cream from onset, maybe the way you produce it must have gone with some wrong information, but with this you will get the right result. Even if your base cream is that type that maybe is whitening but it's not effective, maybe because of some of the additive you put, all that. This Filipino egg yolk base cream is not like that. Whatever you put, so long as this base cream you use, whatever you put, it will always give you the result you needed. Look at it. It's milk in complexion. So let nobody tell you, oh, I have it. I know they shouldn't tell you story. It's only found in Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. That is where you can get it because it's what I requested for. Are you getting it? I went to the company and this is what I needed and they customized it for me. So let nobody deceive you at all. Okay? We alone have it. So don't let it. It's our brand. Filipino egg yolk base cream is original, no side effect at all. If you have, yes, it's antioxidant, like it's being customized from the company, the way I said it. Like if you be having some breakout in your face, or yes, and it's very good. You can use it for face cream as well also. So if you be having some complaint about your face cream and all that, with this you can use this for your face cream as well. Are you getting it? So then again, what do you want to know about Filipino egg yolk base cream? If you want to know more about it, you can also chat us via the number on your screen. With that, we can tell you more about it. Other than that, place your order now and make sure you get the right base cream, because if your base cream is good, at least you've scored 50% of your formula. If your base cream is good, if you have a solid base cream, if you want to do a whitening, any of the whitening products, and your base cream is good, meaning you've scored 50%. So any other additive you add to it, it becomes perfect. Just that we don't have the right base cream. Just imagine. So it's 100%. When I say 100% strength of base, if you don't have a good base, a whitening base cream, or you don't have any of the additive right, meaning your formula won't be complete. So if I urge you to get this, there's nothing wrong with that. So get this particular one and make sure every other additive you put makes your product comes out fine. I expect you to do the right when I tell you to do the right thing, because what I'm telling you is not a joke. It's a real business. Give your brand, give your product the unique maximum items they need, so that you won't be hearing negative result about your brand or your product, because my ear always full. Oh, this one I bought this, I bought that. Please, we're all trying. It's not easy, but the same way I'm just saying it out, give your brand or your product the right ingredients. Look at it. So stay tuned.